Now that we know how to write or how to use a process to change or to use a system command, now it is time to go and write a simple program that change our MAC address. Okay, so here you see we use ifconfig. Okay, so here beside this I can use the whole thing here. Okay, and let me here, okay, in the terminal I clear this and use ifconfig, hit enter. Now let me show you that the interface name is eth0, okay, and this is the MAC address. Okay, either this is the MAC address right now, and let's go write our program to change this. Okay, so right here we have ifconfig and then name of the interface, which is eth0, okay, and then down. Right now I want to turn off this interface, okay, and then I copy this line of code, okay, go to the next line and write eth0 and hw, okay, either and new MAC address that is going to be 0011 and 22 33 44 and finally 55. So make sure that it is 12 character, not more than that. Okay, again use Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V and remove this part. Okay, and the last thing is to turn it back on. Now save this. Okay, right now you see that this is the MAC address for Kali Linux. Let's go and run this again. Okay, MAC changer. Let's use super user privilege, hit enter, Kali, and nothing happened. That means it is maybe changed. Okay, now let's use ifconfig. Okay, let's scroll this and see that if it is changed or not. Okay, you see we have this interface, either, okay, and you see that the MAC address for this interface got changed. Okay, so perfect. Here you just learn, you saw how to change this. Okay, how to change the MAC address. Okay, you write your simple program that change the MAC address to anything you provide here. It is not the final part. Okay, we're going to learn a lot of things. We're going to improve this application. Okay, we're going to use functions to separate this and ask the user to enter, for example, eth0 interface and also the MAC address, and we're going to do a lot of things in this package. So I'll see you in the next lecture.